Your ears don't warn you when they're being damaged. In fact, by the time a loud job begins to feel normal, the harm is already happening. That's why OSHA created noise exposure limits, and today we'll show you exactly what they are and how to stay safe. OSHA has set strict noise exposure limits, known as permissible exposure limits, or PEL, to protect workers from long-term hearing damage. With noise, 90 decibels is the limit exposure for an 8-hour shift. To put that in perspective, that's about as loud as a pneumatic drill, a small air compressor, or a packaging line with constant conveyor noise. But as noise gets louder, your safe time drops fast. At 95 decibels, exposure limit is only 4 hours. OSHA uses a 5 decibel exchange rate, meaning that for every 5 decibels increase, your allowed exposure time is cut in half. If you're in a 95 decibel environment, such as working near a jackhammer breaking concrete, OSHA only allows about 4 hours of exposure. If the noise jumps to 100 decibels, like operating a gas-powered concrete cutoff saw or demolition saw, the safe limit drops to just 2 hours. At 105 decibels, such as working near pile driving, heavy demolition hammers, or impact breakers, the exposure limit falls to less than 1 hour, unless proper hearing protection is used. So what happens if you ignore those limits? Long-term exposure to loud noise can lead to permanent hearing loss, constant ringing in the ears known as tinnitus, and even increased stress and fatigue. And the worst part? Hearing damage is irreversible. That's why OSHA doesn't wait until you hit 90 decibels. OSHA's action level for noise exposure is 85 decibels. So, how can you protect yourself? Here are some expert tips. Earplugs and earmuffs are your best defense. Make sure they have a proper noise reduction rating for maximum protection. If your workplace is too loud, ask your employer about noise testing and the company's hearing conservation program. If you use headphones at work, keep the volume below 60% and limit listening time to 60 minutes at a time. If the noise level is too high and you're not given proper protection, report it. Your hearing health matters. Does your workplace follow OSHA's noise exposure limits? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more workplace safety tips.